president for 10 years and you want to continue being in charge, you break away. You were Secretary General for many years, you misbehaved, you leave the ANC, you want to continue. That is human behavior. There's nothing new about that.
Whose ANC is it? Because he refers to it as...
ANC, no. Zuma was president number 12. He never owned the ANC. Ramaphosa is president number 13. He doesn't own the ANC. So that is a misinterpretation and misunderstanding of what the ANC is. If you give it to somebody as an owner, you are making a mistake. Dube never owned the ANC. You can count them. Mahabane never. Kulu Puma never. He is president number 13. He is not the owner of the ANC.
Did you underestimate, as the ANC, how this party would do? And I have to say, Dr. Mantashe, on the basis of what we're seeing now, we are far from over in terms of the results. I must say that because the ANC had concentrated a lot of its campaign in KwaZulu-Natal. The ANC NEC members were deployed to, but you considerable amount of resource in KwaZulu-Natal. That's a fact, Baba Mantashe.
That is not true. We campaigned in all 9 provinces.
You did.
Okay, heavily.
You had a huge focus.
Yes, we did have campaign in KZN. We had a concentrated campaign in Gauteng because we analyzed the threats in those 2 provinces. So we didn't focus on them. We campaigned everywhere. Okay, I've been to 9 provinces myself. Okay.
But when you say you're surprised at MP's early lead, how come when you understand the kind of impact the former president has had in that particular province, especially
Now, if the impact is in KZN, it reflects something different. It reflects Zulu tribalism. And I don't think we should actually lock ourselves into Zulu tribalism. Tribalism is a backward form of politics. It is having its time frame, it disappears. So if that is the factor, I'm not worried about it. I don't know. I'm not talking coalitions now. I'm watching results. Results will determine whether we need a coalition or not.
But you're not ruling that out, Mr. Mantashe.
No, I'm saying we are watching the results. Let's watch the result. Let's see the outcome. The outcome, we want outright majority. Okay, that is what we want.
But you're not ruling out talking to Mr. Zuma.
We want outright majority. Coalitions are a consequence. You don't plan for consequences. Okay. Now you want me to plan for consequences. The problem here, you want to bring Zulu nationalist pro-politics into media conference. Don't do that.